Today I am smoking my old trusted Chacon, which I have needed to, I don't know the word in English, with the sandpaper, make this nice, because when I was younger I didn't understand better, so I hit my pipes. But now it's okay. It's a really good smoker. Smoke aromatics in it. And in this I have something that we don't have in Sweden, Capstan Black Grape. I was really happy to find it. I was traveling in Dubai, and well, you could imagine they have a lot of cigars in Dubai, but the only actual pipe tobacco they had was Capstan Black, and they had some grape, so I bought it. I know this video of Carolina Rose. She said it was the holy grail of Capstan Black. I don't know, maybe, but it's quite tasty actually. And to light it up, I have my new pipe insert. Not so new to many of you, but still, I like it. It's a Zippo insert. I will show you another cool Zippo gadget later on in this video. Something I never seen before, and it works really, really good. You could immediately taste the grape. I think it's quite you can really taste the grape. I think it's quite good actually. I had a bowl yesterday evening, and I think the grape taste was there through half the bowl, then it disappeared and became quite ashy. So it's Andreas from Torshälla, Sweden. The spring has come, and it's so nice. I have been building on my deck outside, making a fence, and the deck is like 120 centimeters above ground, so you need a good fence. And yeah, I've been home doing a lot of stuff actually. As some of you know, I travel a lot in my job, and yeah, not so much get done during long periods of time, and this recent time I have been doing a lot of carpentering and yeah, stuff. Feels good. And I'm going on a trip on Tuesday again. Going to Poland, Germany, Wrocław in Poland, and Krakow, and maybe Gdansk. And after that I go to Germany, Berlin, Düsseldorf to cigar Benden, fill up the stocks for the summer, and yeah, and Leeuwarden in Holland I go to, then I go back. Maybe a trip to Paris, I'm not sure yet. So how about this Captain Black Grape? It's quite warm here in the gardening house, greenhouse. Yeah, it really tastes grape. Cavendish, of course. When I sip it slowly, the grape is quite pungent. It's good. Easy smoke. I love this pipe also. So light, featherweight light. This stem is really slim, so I can't have this when I cut my lawn, because then I will bite it in pieces. And the stem is quite loose, but just perfect fit, and it's like a stinger. I never bothered to take this out. I clean it and I smoke. It works really good. I hear that a lot of people take out the stingers. I don't. I have 3 pipes with stingers, and I'm not bothered. I'm not sure if they work. This pipe smokes wonderful, I think. It's a Chacon Champion, I think. It's an old pipe. Yeah, I had this thing to my other Zippo with a pipe insert. This I use a lot when I'm outside, and I saw that on Amazon they had this metal case steel, and it's actually working really good. And I open this. I had a little flint, and there's an O-ring here, and filling with gas, and there is an O-ring around this on the inside. As you can see, the fit, let's see here, this is yeah, a little bit, but it works. It really works, for me anyway. I see some people talking about this, and they weren't too happy, but for me it works super, actually. Really don't need to fill this as often as I used to. Good. Now when I get down in the bowl a little bit, I think the taste of grape disappearing a little bit. You can feel, still taste it. The wind is blowing outside. I think it's like 8 degrees Celsius. Yesterday it was almost 20 degrees in the afternoon. The spring is struggling to get a hold of Sweden, and I give it 2 more weeks and everything is like a green explosion. Super green. Wonderful. So, short video, and I hope you are great out there, everywhere. The spring is coming. Wonderful times. I have been, when I'm home, I've been home last times. I have been working a lot in my music studio, making some new music, and yeah, I love it. And I'm thinking, can I in any way combine my pipe channel with my music? And I'm not sure that I can, because you want to watch pipe content, of course, but yeah, my intro music is my own song. If any of you have any ideas how you can combine some music with a pipe channel, please comment below. Yeah. Well, very nice to talk to you again, and have a great continuous Sunday. Bye bye.